Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and see a private Twitter account without following them. So before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open Twitter. Once Twitter is open, go ahead, tap on this search icon, and then what you will do, type in that person's username, not the name only, just exact the username. So this is the username, right? If I go ahead, search it up, so instead of going at top, apparently you can see it, what you will have to do is go to this option of photos and videos. So apparently I do not have any videos or photos posted, right? And as you can see, this account already has it. Is you can go ahead, check it out. So for that purpose, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, search that person's username, go to photos or videos. You will find the people, the photos, videos they have posted. You will be able to check them out that way. And apart from that, I don't think you can go and look that person without actually following them. Do this, you will be able to find their photos and videos. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.